What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod back with another video, and today I got another trip to the thrift for you guys. Now at this point I don't need any more inventory, honestly, because I've been stocking up for fall and winter, and I've been picking up a ton of stuff lately to flip on eBay and on Poshmark. But I like to keep putting out content for you guys, and for me it's all about the thrill of the hunt. So I'm always gonna keep hitting these Goodwills even if I got a ton of inventory on deck already. So I'm gonna go to the Goodwill that's about 20 minutes away from me, because I've been going to the same Goodwill that's 2 or 3 blocks away. But I'm gonna switch things up, go to the further Goodwill, and hopefully we can find some good stuff to sell on eBay and on Poshmark. And if you guys are interested in these trips to the thrifts, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so you already know I usually take you guys along while I pick stuff up, but I came across so many pieces at one time that I just grouped them together so I can just go through them separately this way. So first up is this Tommy Bahama Supima polo, and I usually pass on Tommy Bahama all the time unless it has a dope embroidery on the back and it's like a silk shirt. But I realized that these Supima polos are selling for at least 25 bucks, so I had to pick this one up. Next is a Ralph Lauren Black Label sweater, and I don't find Black Label pieces from Ralph Lauren often, so when I do, I always pick it up. And this one is really dope in my opinion. If it was my size, I would have definitely kept this one. And like I said, no stains, no holes, so I had to grab this piece. Next is this Adriano Goldschmied pair of pants, and I've been selling these pants for like 40 bucks lately, and this has a dope print. I can't remember the print. I think it's houndstooth on there, but these pants are super dope. I have a couple of other pairs of AG Supply pants in the inventory right now, so that's probably coming from the same person. And you guys see this small stain, but that's something I can easily get out with a Tide stain pen, so I'll definitely be picking this one up because that's an easy $40. Next, we got a pair of shorts from the brand Xanarobi, and this used to be a really dope brand. They used to have a lot of joggers, and those used to sell for me for like 40 to 50 bucks. But this brand kind of died down, so it's not as hype as it used to be. But I still pick it up anytime I find it because it still sells for about 20, sometimes 30 bucks. So that's an easy flip as well, especially since it's the summertime. Next up, I came across some J. Crew Stanton shorts, and I would usually pass on J. Crew stuff, but the Stanton shorts sell for like 20 bucks, and it's summertime, so people are actively looking for shorts, and these are all dope in a really nice colorway, so I figured I might as well grab all three. As long as there are no stains and no holes, I should be good to go. Next is this Patagonia organic cotton shirt. Now, I come across Patagonia in my thrift stores all the time, and this one was in really good condition. It was in size medium, so not the best size. I usually like to go for larger sizes, but medium would still sell for a decent amount of profit. And I usually used to sell Patagonia shirts for like maybe 20-25 bucks, so that's probably what that will sell for as well. And next is this North Face shirt. This one was really dope in my opinion because it had a nice stripe print and it had some vertical stripes along with some horizontal stripes, so I'm pretty sure somebody would really appreciate this if they enjoy North Face stuff. So this one would usually sell for me about maybe 20 to 25 bucks as well, most likely closer to 20, so I'll grab that one as well. And next was this Ralph Lauren Oxford shirt, and these are mainly the type of Ralph Lauren pieces that I love to find because they sell for a decent amount of profit. Anytime I see a shirt that says 2XB, meaning 2X big, that usually does sell for a lot more profit for me, so I'm definitely picking that one up. Next, we got this dry fit golf shirt. Might be like a tennis shirt, honestly, because I did find a lot of other tennis stuff in a similar size. But these Nike dry fit shirts have been selling for me all summer for at least 20 bucks, sometimes 15 bucks on Poshmark. But like I said, they sell so fast that I might as well grab these up, even if I do sell it for 15. And next is this pair of Dickies pants, and these were brand new with tags, as you can see. And these Dickies pants, a lot of skateboarders are wearing these, and this is just on trend right now. People are picking up these type of pants and rocking them with Vans, so I know these will sell for at least 25 bucks for me as well. Next is another golf shirt, and this one is from Peter Millar. I usually prefer to pick up the Peter Millar Summer Comfort polo shirts. Those sell for a little more profit, but since this one is in a nice color and a nice pattern, it might as well sell for at least 20 bucks, since I sold one a couple weeks ago for I think 20 bucks on Poshmark. Next is this Nike dry fit shirt, but as you guys can see, this one has like a custom patch on it, and this one might add some value to it. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure what that patch is about, but I'm pretty sure any custom patch or monogram brings some extra money to these shirts, so I'm definitely picking that one up. And next we have a carbon to cobalt shirt, and someone told me that carbon to cobalt shirts are even out on the East Coast as well, so that was dope to know, because I thought these were just like a California brand. But if you guys come across carbon to cobalt, pick it up. It doesn't sell super fast, but if it's a nice print, I still pick it up. Next is this brand new Prana shirt, and this one was super dope in my opinion. I know these flannels won't sell anytime soon, most likely the next 2 to 3 months. But like I said, I'm picking stuff up for now, and I'm picking stuff up for later. So if you guys come across Prana flannels, don't expect a ton of profit. These usually sell for about 30 bucks brand new with tags, but I'm definitely gonna still pick this one up because, I mean, why not? I do like the shirt. Here we got a first time find, and this is a Nike Court dry fit t-shirt, and this one was super dope in my opinion. I'm probably going to hold on to this because it is a tennis shirt, and I'm trying to get into tennis and just be more athletic overall. As I'm getting older, I'm not trying to get a dad bod. Let's just say that. I'm not a dad, but I'm not trying to develop a dad bod as I get older like a lot of my friends are. So I'm just getting into tennis, so I'm probably going to hold on to this shirt. And I'm also going to probably hold on to these shorts as well. These are Federal shorts, and RF stuff usually sells for a ton of profit. So if these shorts sell for like 40 to 50 bucks, I might let these go, especially after I clean up some of those stains. But I might hold on to this for a little bit just so I can be fly on the tennis courts. And next up is this Puma jacket, and I usually don't come across too much Puma pieces in my thrifts. This is pretty rare for me, but this one was really dope, really clean, and it's a windbreaker. So people are shopping for these type of jackets right now, and the best part about it was the fact that it is brand new with tags, and the original price was $110. So I'm hoping I can get at least 50 bucks for this jacket. And here I got some garage sale stickers because I plan on having a garage sale pretty soon. It might be this weekend, so I had to pick this one up. And here I found a cordless drill, and I usually always have a power drill or a cordless drill in the house, but the one that I had was just not in any good shape, so I had to pick up a good one, and this was only 10 bucks, so I'm happy I found this one. And next is this a pair of snowboarding boots. I'm not exactly sure the style or the model, but as you guys can see, the original price was $229. So this is probably the find of the day. I might be able to flip this for at least 150 bucks because it does look to be in really good condition, and it even had everything in the box. I don't know what these little circle things are, but I'm pretty sure it's very important for these boots. So I'm picking this up. It was only 10 bucks, and I'm pretty sure it'll sell within the next 2 to 3 months when people start picking up snowboarding gear. Alright y'all, so as you guys can see, today's trip to the thrift was super successful, and I'm not going to go into full detail into every single item because I picked up well over 20 pieces today, and that would just bore you guys to death. But overall I spent about 120 bucks, and minus the cost of the drill, which was $10 because I'm keeping that, I spent about $110 on inventory today. And just to be on the average side, I'm going to say everything I picked up is going to sell for at least 25 bucks. Some might sell for 20, some might sell for 40. So just averaging it off, I'm going to say gonna sell for 25 bucks. So that's a decent amount of profit in today's trip to the thrift. Now, if this is the first time you guys are catching my videos, I don't always do this well. This is like a really good one, probably my best trip to the thrift in a few months. But like I said, if you guys got 100, maybe 150 bucks, and you're just trying to figure out how you can turn that 150 to maybe 500, definitely go to your thrift stores, because this is something that anybody can do. And as long as, and even if your thrift stores aren't that good, you can still flip stuff like electronics and hard goods and shoes and still make a decent amount of profit, especially since it's summertime, and who doesn't want more money, right? So I just wanted to give you guys some extra inspiration so you guys can go out and get it and go make some extra money. And for those of you that do this as your full-time hustle, congratulations, because you made it and you beat the 9 to 5. So that's all I got in today's video. So if you guys enjoyed that one, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Underrated. This line is causing thunder lately. So lend a heart with no repayment. My interest rate is lower, ain't it?